People take chemistry for granted because it's been embedded in the mind that it's too technical or complicated, which is true, but in this video we are not going to delve deeper into that stuff. Chemistry explains why certain materials are the colors they are, why foods taste the way they do, and how certain natural phenomena like lightning happen, and also the creation of new materials and drugs. The science is fascinating, and this video is going to show how your mundane activities and processes involve a few branches of chemistry. And you are expected to learn the relevant chemical reactions, properties of substances involved, and the scientific principles at play in those activities. And what are those? It's cooking, cleaning, and personal hygiene. Dealing with biochemistry, when onions are cut, the smell that makes most people's eyes water is due to a specific chemical reaction that occurs. This involves an enzyme which is released from the damaged cells within the onion, which is also responsible for the sharp, pungent aroma and taste. The enzyme called alliinase catalyzes the breakdown of a compound called allin to produce sulfenic acid and other volatile compounds such as propanethyl S oxide. When said compound reaches the eye, it stimulates nerve endings in the tissue, causing a burning or stinging sensation and causing the eyes to water. The presence of those compounds in onions, garlics, and other vegetables is also responsible for their distinctive taste and aromas. When these compounds are heated, they undergo chemical reactions that can produce a variety of new compounds, some of which are more volatile and contribute to the aroma of the food. Another cooking activity involving biochemistry is when proteins and sugars in food are heated. That is an example of the Maillard reaction, which causes the food to turn golden brown and develop complex flavors and aromas. Similar reactions occur when meat is browned or when bread and pastries are baked. That includes caramelization, which is the browning of sugars due to the breakdown of the complex sugars and the release of aromatic compounds, and oxidation, which is the breakdown of organic compounds due to oxygen. Also, the non-enzymatic browning reaction occurs when sugar is heated in the absence of proteins or other amino acids. During caramelization, sucrose or table sugar is broken down into its compounded sugars, glucose and fructose. As the temperature continues to rise, these sugars undergo further chemical reactions, leading to the formation of a wide range of compounds, including acids, oils, and sugars with complex flavoring compounds. In the final stages of caramelization, the sucrose is transformed into a deep, rich caramel that can add an appealing and unique flavor and texture to many foods. These reactions are affected by factors such as temperature, moisture, acidity, and the presence of other food components. Dealing with the same branch of chemistry, cleaning agents such as soap, detergent, and other cleaning products rely on chemical reactions to help remove dirt, grime, and other contaminants from surfaces. The chemistry involved in washing hands is primarily concerned with the removal of pathogens such as bacteria and virus from the skin surface. This is accomplished by using soap and water to disrupt the outer lipid layer of the bacterial cell wall, which causes the enzymes and other proteins inside the cell to lose their function, leading to the death of the pathogen, as soap is a surfactant that can bind to both water and oil. The temperature of the water used to wash hands also plays a role in the effectiveness of the process, as higher temperatures can increase the effectiveness of the soap in destroying pathogens. In addition, cleaning often involves the application of chemicals such as bleach, baking soda, and vinegar. The proper use of these chemicals requires knowledge of their chemical properties and how they interact with different surfaces and materials. For example, using a household cleaner on a surface that contains an acidic substance could result in a chemical reaction that damages or corrodes the surface, whereas a basic cleaner might not be effective in removing the stain. Finally, personal hygiene specifically involves analytical chemistry. There are many chemical reactions that occur in the skin, hair, and other parts of the body that can affect our overall health and well-being. For example, the pH balance of our skin and scalp is important for preventing the overgrowth of fungi and bacteria that can cause skin and hair problems. When the skin becomes too dry, the pH balance becomes more acidic, making it more prone to irritation, itching, and other issues. The same can happen with the scalp, and it can lead to dandruff and other hair problems. The same pH balance also plays a role in protecting the skin from infection, as a slightly acidic pH makes it more difficult for more bacteria to grow. Additionally, the use of soaps, shampoos, and other personal products also involves organic chemistry. These products contain a variety of ingredients, including solvents, emulsifiers, and preservatives, which react with the compounds found in the hair and skin to clean, protect, and moisturize them. Chemistry is essential and critical in many different areas of the world, as it is a fundamental science that has been used in various scientific fields and industries for many centuries. Some areas where chemistry is most applied to and crucial in the world include: chemistry is important in food science, as it helps to understand the physical and chemical properties of food and how to improve the quality and safety of food products. Chemistry is vital in the development of drugs, diagnostic tests, and medicinal treatments. The study of chemistry is critical in understanding the function of the human body and how to protect it against disease. Chemistry is essential in the production of energy, as it helps to understand how chemical reactions can be used to produce energy and power in a wide range of industrial applications, and how to make these processes more efficient and environmentally friendly. Are you liking the sound of chemistry? Here's a fun new game from my childhood called Toka Lab Elements. It allows fun and entertainment, as an element from the periodic table interacts with different methods such as freezing, crystallization, chemical mixture, boiling, electrification, or exploding to create another element. It may not sound right or accurate, but it's amusing and humorous with each interaction. As this comes to an end, one has learned how mundane activities, namely cooking, cleaning, and personal hygiene, plus various critical applications of chemistry, such as food processes and industrial science, actually takes an essential role in every person's life. We delve deeper into the relevant chemical reactions, properties of substances involved, and the specific scientific principles at play in those activities. And if that was not the slightest bit of interesting to you, I don't know what is.